All of you switch on your videos now.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning all of you. Mahalakshmi. And 1811, who's 1811? 1811, should we put your name, write your name, 1811. 1811, you must put your name, ma. 1811. Okay, all of you put your mobiles in horizontal mode. Horizontal mode. Okay, tell me, anyone can say, what is the introduction of this malaria? Deepthi, can you say? Deepthi.
Mal means dirty. Area means area, sir.
Okay. Who said? Varalakshmi said. Can anyone? Rajashree. Deepthi, what happened? Don't put pen in your mouth. Had you breakfast, Deepthi?
Sir, mal means dirty and
No. Tell me.
area. Malaria, nothing but one of the disease.
Okay.
This is caused of plasmodium.
What about your video, Varalakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Where is your video? Tell me.
Plasmodium. Malaria caused by plasmodium vivax, plasmodium ovule,
Okay.
plasmodium falciform, plasmodium malaria.
Okay.
Transmission one person to other person by biting of mosquitoes.
Okay. Sohail, what happened? Sohail sir, you must be mute, ma. Okay. Tell me, Varalakshmi, tell me better.
And diarrhea parasite, two types, one primary host and secondary host and intermediate host. Primary host means one host cell. Secondary means man, example, the primary mosquito.
Tell me.
Clinical symptoms, hot fever, nothing but sweating.
Okay.
Headache,
Okay.
vomitings, abdominal pains,
Okay.
and hot fever, nothing, 102 to 107 degree hot fever.
That fever. Okay. Next.
Loss of
Okay. Next.
RBC bursted at that time, chemical.
Okay. Nice. I would like to thank you very much, Varalakshmi. Thank you very much for your. Okay. Snehita, tell me. Snehita. Varalakshmi, you must be mute, ma. Snehita Lingamari.
Sir.
Tell me quick steps about malaria.
Sir, malaria, mal means dirty, area means dust area.
Tell me.
Father of malaria disease is Charles Lavron.
Okay.
steps caused by malaria is Plasmodium protozoan parasite. It consists of 4 species: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciform, and Plasmodium malaria. Infection stage is protozoa. Sporocyte is the infected stage present in the saliva of mosquito. It passes from one person to other person by biting of mosquitoes. Plasmodium is a digenic parasite. Clinical symptoms are hot fever, cold fever, headache, vomitings, abdominal pain, loss of appetite. The fever is about 102 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Loss of hunger. That's it, sir.
Thank you very much, Snehita. Thank you very much. Thank you. And what about Sandeep? Sandeep Reddy. Tell me, ma, about Sandeep Reddy. Sandeep Reddy, what you learned about malaria? Sandeep, tell him, ma. Sandeep, may I audible to you? Okay, what about?
Sir, Sandeep.
Tell me, Sandeep, G Sandeep. I am asking about G Sandeep. Two Sandeeps are there. Anyone can say. Sandeep Reddy.
Sir, good morning. I'm G Sandeep.
Okay. Okay. G
Sir,
Sandeep.
malaria
Sandeep. Yes, Sandeep. Sandeep's cubes are there. Sandeep cubes are there. Okay. Nice. Okay. Sandeep Reddy, I am asking about. Sandeep Reddy. Tell me, beta. And okay, Sandeep Reddy. Okay, now no problem. And Sandeep G Sandeep are able to say.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, malaria is a common disease
Okay.
that infects our immunity system
Okay.
and causes fever, abdominal pain,
Okay.
and some cold symptoms. And malaria is a disease not caused by mosquitoes, but mosquitoes are carriers of malaria disease.
Okay.
And malaria is more popular in Africa, South Asia, these type of countries.
Okay.
And this malaria is produced by the stagnant water and dust particles, garbages
Okay.
like this.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh, Thank you very much, Sandeep. Thank you very much. Those people are to say the good response. And Sandeep Reddy, you must be mute yourself, ma. And one more time, I remember you. G Dhanraj and Salma, you must be that means switch on your videos. Otherwise I remove, right? Dhanraj, Swapna MJC, Sohel, okay. Sahida Begum, right? You must mute, ma. Okay, now may I audible to visible? Ma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I would like to continue of our malaria. So we'll explain who is that means malaria means that area. Those are the peoples working in that area, slum areas. That peoples which are affected this malaria disease. Okay, who is the father of malaria? Who is the father of malaria?
Sir Ronald Ross.
Sir?
Charles Lavarin. Ronald Ross, sir.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much, Sir Ronald Ross. Okay, you are good response. Thank you very much for your kindly responding. No, thank you. Next, what happened? That means which is a malaria day? Which day is known as malaria day? Rajashree.
August 20, sir.
August 20.
August 20.
Sir, April 25th, sir.
August 20,
Okay.
sir.
August 20.
Next, let us go to what happened. Transmission is completed. Okay. Next matter. Primary was completed. Infection stage also completed. Okay. Now I will mute yourself, all of you. Right. See, today we are going to discussing about remaining topic about malaria. Right. One side I repeat. Caused by, it is a Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax, four species are there. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malaria. Okay, and benign malaria, mild malaria, quarter malaria, and malignant malaria. Right. So this is very well. Right. Next, what happened, ma? This is, that means this parasite is a diagenic parasite because of it has definite host and secondary host. Definite host, that is mosquito, and secondary host, that is man. Right, you know very well. Clear? So that is definitely host. That is host are completed. Now, what is important? It is infection stage to man. That is sporozoid stage. That is sporozoid state. And clinical symptoms. What are the clinical symptoms? We are affected. We are suffering from the clinical symptoms. Right. What are the clinical symptoms? Come on, tell me. See, mainly in malaria, hot fever and cold fever also. Which fever, ma? Hot fever and cold fever.
Cold fever.
Yes, hot fever, nearly the temperature of the fever, that is nearly 105 degree Fahrenheit to 102 degree Fahrenheit to 105. Sometimes it will be increase also, 107 also nearly. Okay, now already Varalakshmi said. Okay, clear. Now let us come to the point. Okay, that is the temperature. And what are the clinical symptoms? Hot fever and sweating. Okay, immediately fever comes and sweating comes, and immediately cold fever. Then cold fever. Then headache, vomiting, loose motions, abdominal pain, loss of appetite. Okay, so these are all the important aspects. Clinical symptoms are, we should observe, those are the peoples suffering from the malaria. Right? Completely these clinical symptoms leads to malaria. Right? So in a very well, sometimes you know very well. Nearly, you know very well. According to Malaria and Census survey, okay, then compared to COVID-19, okay, malaria peoples were died nearly 10 millions. Near 10 millions for worldwide, right? That is a very dangerous. This is about malaria, right? So that is one of the important about clinical symptoms. Next, what ma? Next step, lab diagnosis. What happened, ma? So malaria disease caused by first step completed, second step transmission completed, okay, third step clinical symptoms also completed, okay, fourth step, that is lab diagnosis. What ma? Lab diagnosis. Oh, how to identify these what happened, ma? Malaria disease. Okay, lab diagnosis, determination of malaria disease. Okay, now determination of malaria disease. Remembering one thing, determination of malaria disease by, okay, one of the examination test is there. One is what happened, that is, okay, blood smear test. What ma? Blood smear test. Okay, the blood smear test. Number one. Number two, what happened, ma? Blood smear test. Number two, clear. Okay, next blood clotting test. So that means blood precipitation test. Blood precipitation test. Okay, one of the test. Blood precipitation and RT-PCR test. RT-PCR. Nowadays we are going to conducting for the determination of COVID-19, positive or negative, by conducting RT-PCR. RT-PCR means what, ma? Rapid polymerase chain reaction. RT-PCR means what, ma? Rapid polymerase reaction. Okay, this is the one of the important. So what is the rapid polymerase reaction? Clear? Okay, that is RT-PCR test. Okay, and one more test also there, blood coagulation test also there. What ma? Blood coagulation test for the blood coagulation test. That means blood coagulation, but agglutinating test ma. Sorry, it is also called what ma? Agglutinating. So agglutinating. What is the test ma? Blood coagulation of blood. Agglutinating. Agglutinating test. Agglutinating test. Okay, that is one of the tests for to identification of the malaria. Next, what are the tests ma? Next test are, so that is one of the important famous test, that is what is ma? ELISA. What ma? Famous test for identification of the malaria also, for the plasmodium also. Okay na? Right? What is ELISA? Anyone can say Namreen or Raja? What is ELISA? Don't see your
Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay.
Salma, you have done a fantastic job. Okay, Salma, powerful answer ma. When I asking the question, you must give the answer. That is a bullet-like answer, right? Bullet-like answer. I like it. Okay, thank you very much. So this is a ELISA means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. E means what ma? Enzyme. E means what beta? Enzyme. That means next L means what ma? Linked. L means what beta? Linked. So I means immuno. I means what ma? Immuno. S means what ma? Sorbent. S means what ma? Sorbent. A means assay. A means what ma? Assay. So this is the these ELISA test for the test for the identification of this plasmodium. Okay, clear? Very, very important thing. This is the lab diagnosis for the determination of malaria disease, for the determination of Soil. Tell me what you are hand raising. Soil. Tell me, beta. Soil. Okay, no problem. So right. So this is the important about the lab diagnosis. Now coming to the point. So what ma? Come on, tell me. Next step. What step? Can I expect what step, Raja?
Treatment, sir.
Treatment. Very good. Thank you very much, Varalakshmi. Thank you. Next, what step? That is a treatment. Next step, it is called what? Ma? Treatment. Next step, treatment. Okay. What is a treatment? Very, very important. Okay. Further, you know very well. So the treatment for the curing of the for the disease of the malaria. Okay, what happens is Soil? Why you must be on your that means unmute. Induku unmute cheskuntunnallu ma Soil, don't unmute beta. It is disturbing to complete others, right? Soil, this is request regarding ma the remaining, right? Clear? So the treatment. What is the treatment ma? This is a treatment. So for the curing of the malaria disease by using a wonderful drug is there. That is none other than, you know very well, so many people nowadays use for that one. That is what ma? Chloroquinone. What beta? Chloroquinone. Chloroquinone is a wonderful drug. What happened ma? Chloroquinone is a wonderful drug for the drug therapy for curing of the malaria. Okay na? So very, very important. Varalakshmi, mute yourself ma, please. Chloroquinone, right? See, this is a wonderful drug. So nowadays, you know very well, by the due to the United Kingdom, India and America, USA also, for to decreasing of COVID-19 also. To decreasing of COVID-19 also, these what happened QC means chloroquinone. Chloroquinone, that means adding with antibiotic azithromycin. Adding with azithromycin to curing of those are the people are suffering from severe. Those are the people are suffering from severe. Okay, Sandeep, what happened ma? Sandeep. Okay, na? So those are the people who are severe suffering from the COVID-19 disease, right? That peoples in India also and United Kingdom also, Europe and something what USA states, United States, USA also to be using for this combination of azithromycin and chloroquine to curing of the treatment. Because of this, you know very well, COVID-19 there is no vaccine. Now coming vaccine also there, vaccination also there. Now, so that's why the chloroquine is one of the very dangerous drug. It is useful for only those the peoples who are danger in malaria disease. That peoples only to be advised to take the chloroquine. Directly should not. Without prescription, without doctor prescription, you don't use this type of chloroquine. Right? That is very, very important. Here. So for example, if it is you are suffering from the hot fever, like sweat fever, like you are, I think you are imagine the cold and hot fever. So yeah, I am suffering from malaria. Don't use of this chloroquine without a doctor's prescription. Okay, just you should use paracetamol. Okay, now clear? That is mandatory. Remembering one thing. This is a chloroquine. Okay. Now, wonderful drug for the next for the treatment of malaria. For Ayurvedic drug also there. What ma? Ayurvedic drugs. Okay, that is what is ma? Ayurvedic drug also there. That is the Ayurvedic drug is called quinine. That is called what ma? Quinine is a wonderful Ayurvedic drug. Quinine is a Ayurvedic. Quinine is a Ayurvedic alkaloid. Okay, this quinine is alkaloid for curing of this malaria disease. Okay, so many times asked the question in NEET level and CSR level, NET level, and entrance PG entrance level also, right? So what ma? You know very well this quinone, this quinine. Okay, very important thing. This quinine is a Ayurvedic drug. This quinine with alkaloid. It is a alkaloid. Remembering one thing. It is a alkaloid. So it is a alkaloid. It is a alkaloid. Very, very important. This quinine, which is extracted, which is taken from, which is isolated from, okay, now plants, which is isolated from the plants, you know very well, right? So what ma? So now, sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Now whatever now this is quinine, it is an alkaloid which is taken from, which is isolated from the plants. Which plant? Can you say anyone? Anyone can you say what? Which plant? I think you already studied botany. Right. What is that alkaloid?
Neem plant.
No, it's not a neem. It is a very important thing that is called none other than it is a cinchona plant. Okay, na? Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona officinalis. Okay, na? Cinchona officinalis, cinchona plant. This cinchona plant, Cinchona officinalis. This Cinchona officinalis, which is a bark plant. It is also called It is also called a bark plant. Okay. This Cinchona officinalis, which is that means the cell wall to secretes alkaloid. The alkaloid is a cinchonine. That means what? Quinine. This quinine is wonderful drug for Ayurvedic therapy to curing of the malaria disease. Clear? That is very one of the important point. Now, coming, this is a treatment for malaria disease. Clear? Now, coming to the point, see one step, next step, prevention and prophylaxis. What beta? Prevention and prophylaxis. What ma? Prevention and prophylaxis. Prophylaxis. Okay, prevention and prophylaxis. So, come on, tell me the first step. I think already you know very well the first step of prevention prophylaxis. Prevention better than treatment.
Cure.
Swapna, Sandeep. So, what my first step? Prevention.
Is better than cure.
Better than treatment. Na? Better than treatment. Okay, na? Prevention better than is the first step. Okay. That is one of the important prevention. Next, the second step. Second step, what ma? So
Surroundings
Clean our surroundings, neat and hygiene.
very good, very good.
Clean and
Thank you, Swapna. Thank you very much. So yes, your surrounding areas must be dry and don't wet. Your surrounding areas must be dry and clean and hygiene. Your surrounding areas must be dry and clean and hygiene. Padma, clean and hygiene. Your surrounding areas must be clean and hygiene. Okay, now. So that is one of the important step. Next. So what ma next step? You know very well. Okay, how to transfer from this malaria disease, which is transferred from one person to the person? Come on, tell me. By biting of mosquito. Right now, by biting of mosquito. So that means what ma? Avoid of by biting of this female Anopheles mosquito. Avoid of what ma? Female Anopheles mosquito. You know very well. So how? By using of nets. What happened ma? So avoid of by biting of Anopheles mosquito. Avoid of female Anopheles. Biting of female Anopheles mosquito by using of nets. What ma? By using of nets. Okay.
All out coils.
Okay, all out and neem coils. Okay, neem coils, Ayurvedic strips also available. Okay, right. So that is one of the important point. That is one of the chemical method. One of the important method. And next what ma? So it is the mosquito larvae which is present in the water, right? Clear. So that is one of the important. And in the water, mosquito larvae are there. That is regular larvae. So the killing of regular larvae, killing of mosquitoes, killing of what am I? Killing of regular mosquito larvae is called regular. So what am I? Regular, W-R-I-G-G-L-E-R, regular. So regular larvae. So killing of regular larvae and mosquitoes by using of what happened now? So DDT spray and by sprinkling
BHC.
DDT spray and by sprinkling of
BHC.
Okay, that is the chemical controlling method. The chemical insecticide controlling method. These are called insecticide. So by killing of regular larvae and mosquito insects, by using of, by sprinkling of, by spraying of DDT and BHC. I think already told you what is DDT, beta. What is DDT?
Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane.
Wow, fantastic answer. So dichloro-diphenyl tetrachloroethane. Okay, thank you. So this is important. And one more. This is a chemical control method. Chemical control killing method. Next, what man? So next, so one more method also there. That is biocontrol method. Biocontrol method, you know very well. Sapna, what is the biocontrol method? Come on, tell me. What is the biocontrol method, Sapna? Your video is not visible. Anyone can say what is?
Introducing Gambusia fishes.
Very good. Fantastic answer, man. So in the pond water, in the canal, and whatever it may be, your surrounding areas, water is there, you must be introduced a Gambusia fish. By killing of larvae, by killing of insect larvae, by using of Gambusia fish, that is one of the method, biocontrol method. So for killing of these larvae, right? This is one of the important step. Next one. So next one, Varma. So whatever the Indian government, whatever the state government, whatever the Indian government to say that how to controlling of that means according to Central Malaria Research Malaria Research Board to say, Central Malaria Research Board and State Malaria Research Board to say what are the prevention prophylaxis to say government you must be follow. We must be follow that instructions, then only to avoid the malaria disease, to prevent the malaria disease. That is one of the important thing. So and finally, okay. So what happened, man? Clean the environment, save the environment, Okay, save the future, save the unlimited future, save the life. This is the malaria important about the. So this is a control and prevention and control of the measures of the prophylaxis. See, this is a important steps about the malaria disease. Okay, now clear. What happened, ma? From this protozoal disease, malaria will come compulsory, and something long question will come, and short question will become. What are the protozoal disease? Please discuss the protozoal disease. One short question will become. Okay, now very important thing. Okay, don't forget about the steps. Whatever the caused by and transmission, infection, primary host, different host, clinical symptoms, diseases. Okay, the lab diagnosis, and whatever the you must be right. It is not the essential geographical distribution. Right, throughout the world, the malaria to be malaria is to be spreading, like India, like Africa, like the western states, the eastern states. Okay, all the world where this malaria is spread by using this female Anopheles mosquito. Okay, so this is a here and now. So tomorrow we'll discussing about one more topic. And Sandeep, any doubt?
Okay, sir.
Sandeep,
Malaria, nothing but
anyone can say.
malaria, nothing but one of the disease.
Malaria.
Mal means dirty.
But whatever the today points are said, you must be set the points.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Okay, sir. Lab diagnosis today class.
Tell me fast. Don't see the notes. Don't see the notes. Whatever the points you listen, whatever the points you learned, okay, now you must be say the answer. Right?
Lab diagnosis, blood smear test, blood clotting test,
Okay.
precipitate something.
Don't see
Blood
the notes.
precipitation test.
Don't see the notes. Rajasri, tell me, ma. Rajasri.
Blood spore test. Blood coagulation test, something.
Okay.
Sir, నేను నోట్స్ రాసుకోలేను సార్.
ఎందుకు మా నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నా మెల్లగా చెప్తున్నా. ఓకే నమీరా టెల్ మీ बोलो बेटा नमीरा.
Blood clotting test.
नमीरा बोल रहा है. नमीरा is saying
Blood preparations.
be loud.
Blood separate tested. Blood preparations.
Hmm.
Blood congestions.
Okay.
And so sorry. Repeat polymerase
Okay.
reactions.
Okay.
And think about bifunctions
Okay.
and
Mahalakshmi, you must say.
Huh?
Tell me बेटा. Tell me. Hello.
I can
Blood precipitation, RT-PCR, rapid polymerase chain reaction, blood coagulation, ELISA,
Okay.
enzyme linked immunosorbent assigned. Treatment is chloroquine. Ayurvedic drug is quinine and quinine afinial bark. It is a dacel. It is a drug for malaria. And prevention is better than cure. And we should keep our surroundings clean and tidy by using mosquito nets, net coils, and by using DDT, by using introducing of Gambusian fishes into ponds.
Okay. Thank you very much, Swapna. Thank you very much. I think your video is not there, but of course tomorrow you must be on your video. Clear? Thank you very much, my dear legendary students, my dear Paris students, my dear parents. So time is completed. Thank you one and all. I respect your time. I respect your attitude. I respect your positive attitude. Always positive. So This is Krishna, HOD